So here's a very unique dash cam which is complete value for money. I mean, for those of you who have a budget of maybe around 7 to 8,000 rupees and you want to have complete 360-degree protection around your car, well, I think the Dansker 360-degree panorama dash cam will serve the job really well. So the speciality of this camera is that within the budget of 8,000, it gives you not one, not two, not three, but four cameras in one. Yes, you get two interior cameras which are like 180-degree rotatable on each side along with the dedicated front and the rear camera. So the most important feature of this dash cam is that this provides you customized shooting angles and flexible coverage of any area around the car. Basically, it eliminates the blind spots surrounding the car, giving you total protection, or should I say total coverage, and that's simply good. All four cameras shoot in a full HD resolution and the video quality is quite sufficient for the price. But hey, just in case if you're interested to grab some more info or even maybe go ahead and buy this camera for yourself, the purchase links are provided right down below in the description. Go ahead, check out all the details, and if you do like the camera, go ahead and buy it straight away. So let's not waste any more of your time and jump in straight into the unboxing. Let's take a look. Alright, so here's the Dansker 360-degree panorama 4-channel dash cam coming in at a price of about 7,000 rupees. Let's quickly open up the box. So here's the main front camera which shoots a full HD resolution, and the most special thing about this camera is that this has got 360-degree rotatable dual cameras built in within the front main unit. So this basically means you can have customized views of any angle of the car, either on the driver's side or even the passenger side. On top you get a large windshield mount which is kind of necessary to support the kind of weight this dash cam comes with. You get a Type-C port for power and you get a rear camera port. At the back you get a 3-inch wide display. At the bottom you get control buttons and some ventilation holes. Right in front of the camera you get the Dansker logo, and this windshield mount is tiltable, so which means you can adapt it to most of the windshields out there. So here you have the SD card slot right here on top of the camera. So this is the rear camera with a metallic mount pre-attached with screws, and here is the 3.5mm port which plugs in into the main unit. You also get a Type A to Type B connector right here. Additionally, you also get a 3M sticker which can like stick it right here, and you can stick it to where you want the rear dash camera to be mounted. Following that, this is the main power cable which gets a pre-attached 12-volt car charger. On the other end, you get a L-shaped Type-C connector which plugs in into the main camera, and along with it you also get a GPS logger which is also kind of attached to the main power cable. So you'll have to stick this GPS logger onto the front windshield so that it catches the GPS signal. Lastly, in the box you have the user manual, so those who are looking to get into all the technical info and all the details regarding this camera, you can go through this and have a complete overview of the Dansker 360-degree panorama dash cam. At the back they have provided detailed specifications, so I'll just zoom in and you guys can just pause the video and take a look at the detailed specifications of this camera. So a very unique concept executed by Dansker in terms of providing two rotatable cameras which kind of provide you a flexibility in terms of getting the right perspective out of the dash cam. You can cover most of the surrounding of the car. You can cover the driver's side window, the passenger side window, and even the cabin. And of course you can basically cover the entire surrounding of the car, whichever specific angle you need the camera to cover. That's a really cool thing, and since this is manually movable, so even when the dash cam is recording, you can move around the camera and try to record whichever specific area you want the dash cam to record. So under 8,000 rupees, 4 cameras, 2 of them completely customizable. What more do you want? For those who are looking for the complete coverage around the car, specifically want to cover the driver's side window and the passenger side window to record any interaction, maybe at a police checkpost or a security checkpost, this camera will do the job for you. And the main important thing being the price point is very good. You probably won't find a better camera in this range which offers such level of coverage. So this was just a quick teaser and a quick unboxing video. So the full review of this camera will be dropping soon on my channel as soon as I keep testing this camera. So in case if you don't want to miss that full review, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, make sure you like this video and share this video with all your friends who are looking for complete coverage around the car in a budget price. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.